Audio CD 2, Track 34, Unit 2, Taking a Shopping Tour. A tour guide and a tourist are on a shopping tour at a night market in Taipei. So, this is Taipei's famous Shilin night market.
Yep, this is it. Some of the best deals in Taipei can be found right here.
Great! I'd love to get some traditional souvenirs.
Let's start here. The woman who owns this shop is a friend of mine, and she speaks English.
All right. Sounds good to me. Wow, these silk fans are just what I'm looking for.
Oh yes, they are beautiful.
Excuse me, how much are these fans?
They're 100 NT dollars each.
Ouch, that's a bit much.
These are of the finest quality, ma'am.
I understand that, but if I buy a dozen, can we strike a bargain?
10 NT dollars off each piece is the best I can offer.
Fair enough, it's a deal.
I can see you've done this before. You really know how to haggle. So, what's next?
Do you know a good place for jewelry?
I know just the place.